And then,
didn't she bring you like a whole
bunch of
the gardening one?
Have you been having good months together so far?
You mean in our butterfly town?
Yeah. Okay, yesterday.
I didn't go yesterday. Elena did. It's a long drive. It's even further than here.
I'm going to get two places so close about that.
well, where you brought the things to sign up, right? Me, Merle, and Marcia, I'm signing them up
Oh, for
now.
Oh, she wants to be a member.
Yeah.
I did, but you know what? I can email that.
Elena wasn't doing it.
Oh, was she supposed to tell me to bring them?
Remember you gave them to me, and I put them where I wouldn't lose them.
Oh, I
think
see.
I
I
put
thought
them
I
in.
had when we
I
were
put
in
them
the
in.
I know,
put
but
them
that
in Merle's
seems like that.
Yeah. And Merle just didn't.
It sure is. Yeah, don't leave them in the car. That would be good for you.
Look at how that cat, look at the expression of that cat's face. He loved it.